Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Menteri Sarkar Bakhmi katanat ki kam boarding ha kejelah bas ni balang dar ubalong MLA kan nat yang konstituensi hinden kesingi ka arpsan tarik ujamang ula plipat ba iki Jaka Pule ha ka Shnong Wahïajer West Jaintia district ki bahab apo kacing peniat jang school ba North Eastern Hill University kini ki Jaka Pule bala play du bas ni balang dar ki kentup ya ka Dindayal Upadhyaya Community College for Skill Development nangta ka Bachelor Vocation BVoc bat ka Dindayal Kaushal Vikas Kendra Skill Development Center hakajing elang play ka bala peniat DL Kama ki wei ki blai don lang ki kentup Vice Chancellor ka School ba North Eastern Hill University Professor SK Srivastava Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Henry Lamin MLA ka Mukayaw Constituency ba Robino Singkon kumju MDC ka ni kathan Wech Power Shnong ka Wahïajer uba Kemenshela President ka Jaintia Students Union Recruit and Parent bat ki wei de ki dikot Jong ka JSU pan penurlong ye ka ni ka Jaka Pule ka bla peniat ka School ba Nehu ke Jaintia Students Union ke dei ke ba layai but dian ni ke ni ke kam nadu snam arja khat lai bat kabala ru ban pen ko ngo yu Vice Chancellor ban thau ye ke Task Force Committee hado blala ban pen urlong ye ke jeng angnot ban bo ye ke Nehu Compass ha ke ni ke than na ke benta ke rilom Jaintia hi borok koi ke ni ke dei ke Community College ke baning kong akan jela pal ai nam ka keteng jong Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya ubalong we ni kirim kraw bat ustad sains kari bela tresitam na kabentaban kentia ke Pule ke puthi pat pun ko bor ye ki samla kumno bakin yang laki jong ki kejan
Sarkar punya yoजना dua kini training center mang gua kam haru kata-kata hak state government ikat kau mang kami percang kumsia youths dihajar mut kau sarkar mang gede su kar ini mamsu mang makna hanya ini hubulut kau ya gina hika ya trains dengan tahu train di trains dong mingguan yo senang buka Gu train ni tahu kamu nutan bi murai cupi tenta bi kiri orang. Gu train kamu nucet tu bukan dengan bakery. Gu train kamu rumah bi professional driver, professional mechanic. Bondak di train. Handai kat kawan kami ngomong lagi. Dan apply dia kawan kamu usaha kawan company, the private sector company. Mio ada kamu cuam le mangkar bangai. Lawan yang tu company yang bicara tunggu kerja, orang kuat yang nak rawat tipu cuma kari nanti. Orang show me your certificate whether you are qualified or not. This is the community college is made at this time, at this point of time.
In addition to the various degree courses, if our students, our youths, they are skilled in various, crafts, in various abilities, so that will empower them, to generate livelihood for themselves and also for others. Our university will try to facilitate every aspect which is related to which is related to finally make the best use of the program. So I think in the long run, with so many our youths who are very energetic, they want to serve the region where they are living, the state, the country. They will be giving them an opportunity to empower them, to strengthen to enhance their capacities. So basically it's a capacity building to the youths through skill empowerment.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.